India is on the threshold of explosive growth. To talk about growth, one needs to address two basic aspects of its people. First, their living standards, and second, their working environment. In India, people are increasingly looking at better alternative options both for living and working. The need to provide world-class infrastructure for quality living and hassle-free working environment has not only mobilized all state institutions but has also made public-private partnership a reality. One such city is Meerut. Meerut is just 1 hour away from Delhi and perceived as a green state. To add to its credit, it has always been the hub of business and industrial activities. Its location on focal point of western Uttar Pradesh, bordering the National Capital Region, makes it an ideal choice to initiate world-class infrastructure and growth. When we look back at Indian history, the Indian Mutiny of 1857 and Mangal Pandey are reasons which make every Indian proud. Here, in the Kali Paltan temple in Meerut, Mangal Pandey ignited the revolt against the British Raj, thus making Meerut the epitome of India's struggle for freedom. Today's Meerut is a developed cosmopolitan city with modern shopping malls, multiplexes and top national brands, and has become an indispensable part of the National Capital Region. Meerut is also featured as the 63rd fastest growing urban area of modern times in the world. Perpetual infrastructural growth and growing industrialization backed by excellent road connections with the national capital Delhi and other major cities, Meerut exuberates with life and a vibrant business atmosphere.
Meerut Development Authority has till now launched 18 residential schemes. We have at present sufficient land by approximately 640 hectares. Recently, we have launched Shatabdi Enclave, Ganga Enclave and Ved Vyas Puri Enclave, and the response is very appreciable. During last 1 year, authority has tried to strengthen the basic essential services in the residential schemes and has also added new dimensions to provide the ideal conditions of the basic services in the Development Authority's schemes.
Meerut Development Authority, MDA, has played a vital role in making Meerut what it is today. It has lived up to its promises by shaping Meerut into a metro city from a suburban town. In the past decade alone, several educational institutions have made Meerut earn a distinctive name in the field of higher education. Today, Meerut is proud to have a tally of 539 primary schools, 120 high schools, 45 inter-colleges, 11 postgraduate colleges, 4 universities, and more than 50 technical and professional institutions. Followed by the success of its educational sector, healthcare services in Meerut have also come a long way. Meerut has 2 medical colleges, 2 state-level hospitals, 8 multi-speciality healthcare centers, 104 private nursing homes, and many more medical services. In its endeavor to scale new heights in urbanization and development, Meerut Development Authority has not only developed new townships and infrastructure, but has also developed vast spans of green areas, beautiful parks and recreation facilities for its citizens. Meerut Development Authority is ever ready to meet growing housing needs of the National Capital Region. Pallavpuram, Vedvyaspuri, Shatabdi Nagar, Lohia Nagar, Rakshapuram, Ganga Nagar and Sainik Vihar are such landmark qualities developed by MDA. Meerut Development Authority has constructed several thousand houses and successfully developed plotted colonies by indigenously involving private builders and developers. Major real estate players like Ansal, Ansal API, Era, Supertech, Godwin, and other mid-sized companies like Indus Valley Promoters, Gayatri and A to Z have already implemented their projects with resounding success.
In the near future, from the Infrastructure Fund, Development Authority has planned to strengthen some of the basic services of the city like roads, parks and drainage system.
These townships are developed on modern parameters, providing amenities like green parks, good road network, electrification, and drinking water with sewage treatment plants. Meerut is an urban developer's dream come true and is ready to ride the tides of development. Not one to disappoint the business community's needs, MDA has also proposed to make a new transport nagar in an area spanning 40 hectares. Like in any developing modern city, the growing population and transportation needs puts a strain on the existing infrastructure. To tackle this, Meerut Development Authority is already working on several major city roads to widen them. The widening work on Delhi Road, Bagpat Road, Rudki Road, Mawana Road, University Road and Gagol Road is already on and due for completion soon. This road widening work will give benefit to new networks, thus enhancing the real estate developments along with trade and commerce. MDA, the nodal agency, through its public-private partnership mode, is also on target to complete a 42-kilometer long and 45-meter wide proposed inner ring road, which will bind the entire city with higher speed into an unobstructed loop, with grade separators like flyovers and rail over bridges. End result, driving in Meerut will be a breeze for road commuters. Working round the clock with National Highway Authority of India, MDA is all set to bring to life the proposed Delhi-Meerut Express Highway.
Meerut Development Authority, in association with the Civil Aviation Department of UP government, has taken initiative to develop international airport at Meerut. In the first phase, the existing airstrip will be extended, and for that purpose we have managed land near about 34 hectares. For the international airport, we have made survey for 2,000 hectares of land.
To add another feather in its cap, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, is also working on the outer ring road, which will facilitate easy connectivity of the Delhi-Meerut Express Highway with Meerut city and provide connectivity to other parts of the city. Moreover, it will also serve as a direct access route to the proposed international airport in Meerut. The international airport is an ambitious project to put Meerut on the international air travel map, and to achieve this objective, the state government has proposed to renovate and expand the existing airport to give birth to a contemporary and modern international airport. Meerut is on the threshold of witnessing a new life in industrial boom with the commissioning of dedicated Eastern Freight Corridor of the railways. It will not only boost up industry in a tremendous way, but will also be playing the role of a catalyst for many employment opportunities. Buying a house in Meerut is a consumer's delight, as Meerut offers a complete package of happiness at significantly cheaper price in comparison with other cities of the National Capital Region. Meerut is all geared up for a new sunrise.